Hey guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Melissa and today I'll be doing this eye tutorial. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the notification bell so you can stay updated on future makeup tutorials. Without further ado, let's get right into the video. This is the Maybelline Super Stay Full Coverage 16-Hour Powder. For blush, I'll be using the Blush Trio from Anastasia Beverly Hills. Whoa, that's pigmented. Just blend this in. Today I'll be using the Christen Dominque's Unconditional Palette. I'll be using the shade Warm Hearted all over my crease line. Next, I'll pick up the shade Love and Light and pack it onto my inner V. Repeating the step on the other side. Now on the outer V, I'll be using Jaden. Now take the first brush that you used. We're gonna blend in all the colors together. Same thing on this side. Go back in with Warm Hearted and let's soften the edges using light hand window wiper movements. Now we're going over my favorite part, the glitter. It's called Eternal. Pat it. Whoa, you guys saw that? We're packing it on to the inner of our eyelid. A little bit goes a long way. Lip combo today. I'm using the L'Oreal Color Gel Liner, Maybelline Super Stay Speaker Mind 75. It should have 2 other videos. Please go ahead and check them out. And don't forget, you're beautiful from head to toe.